Hello! Welcome to our journey through Argentina, a country known for its breathtaking scenery, rich culture, delicious food, and passionate people. Let's explore together. Argentina is renowned for its vibrant culture. One of the most famous cultural expressions is the tango, a passionate dance that originated in Buenos Aires. The country also celebrates the Fiesta Nacional de la Vendimia, honoring the grape harvest with music and dance. In Argentina we say, La cultura es nuestra identidad, culture is our identity. Now let's indulge in the delicious food. Asado, a traditional barbecue, is a must-try and often enjoyed during family gatherings. Vamos a comer. Let's eat. You can't miss empanadas, savory pastries filled with various ingredients. And of course, there's dulce de leche, a sweet treat that's loved by all. In Argentina, we like to say, La comida es amor. Food is love. The people of Argentina are known for their warm and friendly nature. You'll frequently hear the phrase, que lindo, how beautiful. Argentinians value family and friendship, and social gatherings are an important part of life. Whether it's enjoying a mate with friends or celebrating a national holiday, connection and joy are always present. We hope you enjoyed this cultural glimpse into Argentina. Remember, learning Spanish is not just about the language, it's about embrace the rich traditions and values of its people. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends eager to learn Spanish. What aspect of Argentine culture excites you the most? Until next time, see you next time on our adventure through the Spanish-speaking world.